approved the nominations of His Excellency the President of the following persons as Justices of the Supreme Court in accordance with Article 1442 of the 1992 Constitution.
President Akufo-Addo has, since he assumed office in 2017, nominated 15 judges to the Apex Court, the highest in the nation's history. The minority leader accuses the president of taking advantage of the Constitution to pack the courts and has been recommending a cap on the number of judges who sit at the highest court.
We have seen significant numbers appointed under President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo to the Supreme Court of Ghana. In the name, as you read his own appointment letter, anticipated vacancies. Where there is no ceiling provided, I want to believe that the framers of the Constitution assume that Parliament will provide for those limitations. We cannot have an open-ended. So, Mr. Speaker, tomorrow, if a particular president decides that he wants to appoint 25 justices of the Supreme Court, we will say because of jurisdiction, it must be. That is what this Constitution provides. But, Mr. Speaker, it has always been my position that
Former Majority Leader Cletus Avoka backs this position.
2 days ago, I heard on the social media that two former Chief Justices, the former Chief Justice Akufo-Addo, Akufo-Addo, and then the current one, Justice Anin, had indicated that there should be no capping for the Supreme Court because of the volume of work at that level. While we appreciate that there could be a lot of work to be done at the Supreme Court, I still think that it is useful, having regard to the exigencies of the situation and the experiences that we have gone through, to have a capping.
But NP for Kaikui Central, Patrick Boama, says if Parliament wants to do something about this, it can, but should stop sounding helpless.
This House, we cry too much over nothing, because we have the powers to take certain actions if we want to cap or expand or limit the number of justices of the court, the number of justices who can serve on the court.
President Akufo-Addo nominated 4 judges to the Supreme Court. 2 have now been approved and 2 are in the pipeline. Justices Ernest Yao Gaiwu and Justice Kingsley Kumsin will know their fate soon, but we now know that the minority on the committee are resisting their approval and they will not get consensus approval in the House. We do not know yet when exactly the Appointments Committee will lay the report on those 2 judges in the House. But those 2 judges, like I've mentioned to you, are facing some fierce resistance by some members on the Appointments Committee. Reporting for Joy News, Kweku Asante, Parliament House, Accra.